Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, me there again once more, my people. Manners and respect to each and every one. Alright, so, my people, I have a video that I'm going to present to you. And in this video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person called someone who you can see in this video a thief. The video also shows at least one person inside of a house. And you can hear a person saying a lot of harsh language in this video, viewers and subscribers. Now, I wonder if this video shows a real situation, because on a real, it just look away. It look away. Me no feel no way, but it look away, my people. So, I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about this video itself, or about where you can see and hear in the video, my people. Please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe. You notice what I go on, so just in case if you don't have an understanding as to what I go on here, so it look like someone, a video record someone inside of a house, but it's like who's to have a video record there at a certain spot. You see what I say? But look what I go on. Just go and look what I go on with people. I set away. Set away. Really set away. Wow. What the person gone this? Hey, you notice that in people? Like the person.
Well, team wouldn't catch you. The team wouldn't bumbo clot catch you. Push, burn so, burn. Well, you know, clot I'm gonna wait on your blood. Push. Well, burn now. Burn so to kill a blood clot in a. Well, you figure like a bumbo clot today. Your teeth in bumbo push. Roll me a blood clot. Roll me a bumbo. Hey, okay, turn up on a blood clot wall. Well, see, none of them are all push. Eric, bad Forrester. Well, they wouldn't blood clot catch up. Well, no long way. Bumbo clot money you coming up from. Well, hey, you have one key for them, okay? Okay, all have one key. How many blood clot next one? Well, boy, push. They wouldn't blood catch you. Mark it!
When it comes down to a situation like that, you know,
Well,
call people.
Mark it! Aston!
I say, and call police.
Come
Let's say call the police
Get
first,
some
then
blood
call
clot
you want.
now.
I know you want, but make sure police know what
Be your bumbo!
when it
Well,
comes
you
down
can't
to
pay
a
back
situation.
$300,000. Oh, you pay back 300,000. Oh, your blood clot pay back. Austin! Right, come here!
take everything.
I know you take every blood thing, but you pay back. How much you pay back?
I know me take everything.
I know you take so who take every blood thing? I don't. Me was say to me say don't pay thief for money, you know. I'm here in a blood house and catch you now.
You don't know that.
You don't know? The blood clot coat on know you get locked up till the bumbo hole. I go like on a blood nice one a bumbo thief. Marty!
Papa, yeah.
Oh, yo.
Papa must be gone. Hey, me then, I said I text me, you know. Cause I know say, me gone a bush and me post some blood picture. What me in a bush. You say me pay back your blood, can't pay back money. But the court, you make your blood pay back. And then you take everything. And then you take key the way you come in the house.
You know you was a key.
So your blood clot come in. What do you know, come see this pool?
You pulled me down.
You know, I made it blood lucky. Oh, we pull, where blood clot key there. You know, I bomb key your teeth on yourself and look good turn out. We know say you take care of blood or take you know, but we want blood proof. Cause you tell me about a dopey your teeth blood money. Oh yeah, blood clot dopey.
Dopey.
Okay, I kill man, should I kill a blood? I lucky, you're lucky here. You're lucky in a clot. You know, hey, cause you know man, blood stress what you man take away. What I blood clot money about the house, right on Charlie gone a bush and the blood stress.
You take away nothing dog.
Catch up boy in the house a thief. Papa!
Papa, forward! Forward, forward!
Hey boy Kush, we'll come and we blood there. Kush! Hey that boy Kush! Don't tell her go on!
Record.
Hey, injure body blood. You left me 10 grand from the blood clot table. I mean then I can't, I'm suing take a blood clot money. I try give me back. I'm going more. You gotta pay back for every moment blood. I know you take everything. You win well no for clot take everything. Push. But I know you. Hey, if you no message me this man, can you know some me telling you some I got bush, you know. Link blood clot. I'm here blood clot service for me. A thief on his own, a nice boy. Me know say blood. Hey, me a working blood planning. I tell me about a dopey I gonna me go thief me money. You take so much blood money. Hey, I make sure about call the police them now. A police take you out of this bomb. You think nobody can come and take you out of this? Oh, me I get back your money. Then call man, call me want the money. Hey, a people blood money man a thief from where the house, you know. Bomb. Last time I saw me some blood, yeah, Christian, me some money I say I stand. I mean hide in the house and put the money on the table. And in coming in the house, me fit me a video for him coming. The boy, this a boy, I tell me say I'm pay way back now. Call I'm going to show you pay way back. I know you understand we take you all away money. Bumbo, yes man. I stand, I stand.
You have contractor, you have so much people.
He might tell me say don't pay a thief for money out of we house. And hey, me tell hurry up because I bless police me a call now.
Yeah man.
Hey, me some man a plan for what here, you know. Hey, me say I stand, me nah bumbo clot. You know me house now stand the man thief everything, but me know I'm here to work with him. Cause me know me will catch him. Catch him in the house, man. See me, man, we have him 5 rounds, man. We plan for him for a week, we have planned for this, boy. Yesterday, mosquito nearly killed me in the house yesterday. Yes, man, mosquito nearly killed me yesterday, through this, boy.
Hey, no man, I could kill some lick man.
No man, he not get no lick, man.
Kill some lick man.
He not get no lick, man.
We have to kill some lick man. You can't call us a country man money and everything.
I don't talk about him or pay back. Oh, you pay back?
Hey, I know.
Call him. Me know some come here, boy, you know. Me have to work issue with him. He might tell me say dopey at him money, so me tell him say yes, me know say dopey.
No man, no.
Eh?
No.
Look up me say. Me deal with this boy, good, you know.
Good boy, I'll begin to just cry to blood clot. No, I'm not going boy this blood.
Dopey. Who could have really and truly try to thief something from me or take something from me or steal something from me and then I come tell me about Dopey? I come tell me say Dopey thief it. I record this, I sign. My people, me I talk generally now. Cause I go point out like at least one thing about the video, but I go talk generally now. See? if you find yourself in a situation where someone go inside your house and try to steal something from you or thief something from you, then one of the best advice we can give to you is call the police. Now, if you want to call the whole community or the whole city or the whole town to make them know, say, look, this is somebody try to thief from you or this is somebody thief from you, well, that's your decision. You see me, I say, plus, I don't business, because if you want to embarrass the person and make people aware of the type of person that the person be, it's up to you, because in the first place, nobody not supposed to try to thief nothing from nobody. See me, I say, work for what you want. You see me? Work for what you want. Try to find a job. If you cannot find yourself in a job, or if you can't find yourself a work for what you want, I better you beg then. Even though it might look away, but it's still better you beg than go to certain foolishness. You see? Now, my people, I want to point out that, me see, when the person put one hand like this, you see me, I say, yeah, when the person was at a certain spot inside of the house, and I'm talking about a person who you can hear someone in the video basically call or refer to the person as a thief, or call the person a thief. Yeah, the person put in hand like this. You see me, and that have me thinking, because the person goes, so that have me thinking, because I wonder what that the person put up. I have an idea. You see me, I say, but me is the kind of person, you know, confirm information to deal with as some mistake. Yeah, but that look away. It look away, but me no feel no way. So, but people, let me know what you think about that situation there, you know. I think here's where I'm going to leave it now. So, big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.